Hi everyone, I'm just coming on to do a project share. This is an outgoing swap that I'm partaking in, and it is the 12 Days of Christmas, which was hosted by Amber Kintyre. And I was partnered up with the lovely Dawn, who is Shiny Silver Treasures here on YouTube, if you didn't know. I will still link her channel in the description box, of course. And I just wanted to come on and show you what I have made, because I've wanted to do this for a while, and this was the perfect opportunity, so I'm really happy to share this with you. But first of all, I just wanted to say that I made this little goodie bag, and I absolutely love this paper. I cannot even remember what it's called. I want to say Merry and Bright, and it's from Hobbycraft. It's one of their new Christmas paper pads, and I just loved it because I really love the cute little doggies, and I know that Dawn has some cute little doggies herself, so I thought this was perfect for that. And I have put this ribbon through to hold it all together, but it sheds, so I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry, but I'll just open it up and we'll just all get covered in glitter. So inside here I have packed some goodies, like I said. I got this really cute face mask, which is a polar bear. How cute is that? Then I packed in this organza bag some sort of bits and stuff. I've got this lip balm here with the sparkles, which is really cute. It's make a nice little container once the lip balm's gone. I've put in a diary which you can, you know, use at free will or decorate, and it's this really nice gold. And then I saw these toppers, which are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these cute little doggies, Christmas doggies. How cute. And they were from Hobbycraft. So I put them all in there just purely because they would not fit in my project. And then I also have this cute little snowman bath bomb set. And then I have packed in some treats. So in the back I've got some Malteser hot chocolate with the marshmallows, chocolate lolly, candy canes, some Twinkies, and lots of Christmas chocolate, Christmas Santas, Christmas snowmen. So lots to feast on there. So I'll just pop them back in, and then we'll get to the main event. So this is what I have made, and I really wanted to make this. Now I saw this on Scradaworld YouTube channel, so I will link that in the description box, because that will link you back to who made it. But I think I have that video still saved, so if I can find the original video, I will link that as well. But I originally saw Scradaworld show this on her channel, and it is a huge book box. So first let me just show you the cover. I have used some of the embellishments that I made during Christmas in July, and I have mismatched them up with the paper that came with the Hobbycraft papers, which I really love. I just love Christmas trees, these snowflakes, just love all the colours. They just went so well together. I've got a shaker candy cane here as well. We've got these gorgeous puffy stars. They were from Hobbycraft, and then I put some Prima flowers on there as well. And then these chipboard pieces here, these extra houses here next to the gingerbread, they're like wooden pieces as well. And then on the side I've decorated the spine using Prima flowers and some puffy stars, and then this gorgeous mitten that was also from Hobbycraft. And then the edges I've added this gorgeous pom-pom trim, which I got from the range. And then I left the back completely blank because this paper is gorgeous, and I really want to show that off as well. And then on the side I've attached two types of trim. I've got this white tulle and then this pink seam binding here. So it's double bowed, so open one bow, then the other, And then she says, I'm going to take this way because reveal time opens up and there is 12 boxes. I thought this was absolutely amazing. So as you can see, I have numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. And I'm just going to lie it flat so that I can show you what is in each box. So here is box 1, and as you can see, just look at this gorgeous paper. Love it. And then in here I have gifted some of these rosettes that I made again in Christmas in July, so you may or may not remember these, but I absolutely loved making these. These are just 2 bows put together with a button on top. I also made these types of rosettes using vellum in the fancy fold rosette, and then added these rolled flowers. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, so I gifted them as well. I then made some die cut embellishments and I left them plain so that Dawn can decorate and use them as free will. So I made this one, and then this one with the matte silver. I made a couple of gingerbread people. So I just backed them with some silver matte and then added just a tiny bit of silver for their buttons. And there's one with the eyelashes. Very cute. And then made a couple of candy cane ones as well. And I left the tag thing on just in case you wanted to use them as tags. And also made some tags, and I have double backed them so they are nice and solid. So they're backed on £300 cardstock as well. So just made them all in a variety of sizes. Again, like I said, completely plain, can be used for whatever project. And then I made some of these cute little Christmas pops. So that is in box number 1. So these are the embellishments. Try and fit everything back in. Remember where everything goes, so the lid can get on there. Like so. Then box number 2. Again, look at that. So cute. In here I've gone and used finally my jar punch and jar shaker domes, and I made these jar shakers and I filled them up full of sequins and mix, and then just decorated them, and then I've just left them plain on the back so that you can stick them on projects or use them as tags. So I've made a few. I made 3 of these ones. I love that one. Love the little deer. And these are come with the, you buy them, I think you buy it separate actually, the ephemera, and you get stickers as well that go with this collection at Hobbycraft. Yeah, and then I also made 2 ATCs as well, and I've left them blank so that she can reuse them. I'm just finding glue strings everywhere. Hopefully I get them all off. And then look at this little doggy. How cute is he? With his Christmas pumpkin. And I've just put some enamel dots on there as well. So that is some ATCs and some shaker domes for box number 2. Oh, putting it on the wrong way around. Then here in little box number 3. How cute is this paper? I have put in some of this washi tape. It's not Christmassy. I don't really have Christmas washi, but I really like these colours. I thought they went really well with the collection, especially this gold glittery one. And they're quite shiny and metallic. So that was in box number 3. Box number 4. Oh, I can get it out. I made this little pouch using lace, and then I added a little wooden chip, and then inside there, don't know if I can pull it out too much. I've just gifted some of these what are they called, glitter dots, and also some of those little doggies, so they are all wrapped up in there. That's 4. And then number 5, again with that lovely Christmas tree, I have added in some of the puffy elements. So there's a Christmas tree, a star, and a snowflake, and then I've added in loads and loads of that gorgeous pom-pom trim as well. So that's all stuffed in there. And those puffy little things are great. You can put a little hole in them, you can make them into charms as well. And then box number 6, which is that cute paper there, I have gifted some of these gorgeous glitter poinsettias, and they have the foam dots already on the back. So that little box is full of them. I can't get them back in now. And I got them from the range. I did my range haul. Box number 7, another little one here. I have gifted her some of this extra thick enamel embossing powder, and then I just stuck one of the discs on there, so I'll probably have to write in the card what it is, but it's extra thick, so I know she likes doing a lot of mixed media projects, so instead of double dipping, triple dipping and stuff, it's really thick, which is fantastic. And then number 8, I have got one of these little coffee frappuccino things, and I have filled it with so many of these gorgeous beads. I thought the colours really went with this collection, and then I just decorated the front here with some of the little chipboard pieces for this collection, so that's really cute in there. Oh, got it right way around. And then number 9, in this one again I have used one of these coffee cup holders, and I have put in this sequin mix. So this is the sequin mix that I use in those shaker domes, and then in the top I've just added an extra rolled flower, and then I've just decorated it so 2 Santa Claus. It's really cute and diddy, and it fits perfectly in this little box. Then number 10, again I've made another little lace pouch, and I added in the Christmas pumpkin, and then inside here I've added in some of the bottle caps, and they have some of the images, so I've done them in gold and silver, and I think there's about 6 of them in there. So that's really cute. Then number 11 in this paper, I've gifted some of these banners. These are what I made through Christmas in July. I love doing Christmas in July because it really did help when it came to making, a big project like that. Being able to, have things already made on hand. So I really like these. These ones are made from vellum and then just layered up strips of paper with some sequins and enamel dots and buttons and flowers just to embellish it. Then I have also made some, these are paperclip banners. So the paperclip is there at the top, and then I have just decorated that, and I've actually used some of the Snow and Cocoa collection, as well as some Doodlebug, I think. Yes. And I really loved how these turned out. Again, mix matching all these collections together. I think they work really well. They're quite pastel-y colours. I love the blues, pinks and purples. And that one there, a little puffy thing on. And then this one, I love that little reindeer says love you. So there are some banner paperclip embellishments that I made. and some little banners. They fit perfect in box number 11. And then, oh, I can't get the box 11 on. There we are. And then box number 12, another big box. And this is full of already made embellishments. So I made these mason jars, which I think are absolutely adorable. This is using the die, not the punch. And I love these little doodle book images, and I thought the colours worked so well together. And then I have these bows already made, and I just stuck some little gemmies and dewdrops on the side of them, and then some of them have flowers like that, like that. And they're really sturdy, these bows are really sturdy. And then I have some tags. So these are the tags that I made, again using the doodle book images and paper, but I felt like it really just matches so well, the colours. So I was really happy with that, because obviously I made these back in July, thinking for a Christmas project, but I couldn't use everything that I made because obviously the boxes were smaller and stuff. So I just loved how it all sort of worked out in the end, which is fantastic. So they're my tags, and then I just added in these gorgeous Santa tags as well. I really love making these. Oops, I didn't mean to drop him. So the tags are there at the top, and I love that I stamped his eyes rather than using the eyes that came with the die, and I think he just looks really cute, little Santa. So that is everything that I have made and put together for this 12 days of Christmas swap. I've never done a 12 days of Christmas swap before, so this was my first time. I wasn't really sure what I was doing, but I really hope that Dawn likes it and she can make use of what I have made and what I have gifted. So yeah, like I said, I will link Dawn's channel in the description box below, so you can go over and check her out if you already don't know who she is. And yeah, and this will be on its way to her very soon. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me and watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm just trying to tie this into a nice fancy bow again, and I will see you all again soon. Take care. Bye.